Hello everyone, I'm Esther from University of Sumatera Utara from the English department, and today I will make a presentation for my final examination. The title of my presentation today is The Analysis of American Accent and British Accent to Pronounce Sound or in Words by using Praat software. Okay, in this presentation, I will explain about the background of this research, the problem of this research, the goal from this research, the result from this research, and the last is the conclusion from this research. The background. Cultures plays an important role in shaping the style of communication. In the other word, culture influences someone's accent in speaking a language. An accent refers to how people pronounce words. For example, when people from China and people from Indonesia speak in English, they will have the different accent even though they speak in the same language. This phenomenon occurs because they come from the different ethnic and culture. Because of that, we can conclude that language is influenced by culture. The relationship between language and culture is a complex one. So, to prove this theory that culture can influence someone's accent, I decided to analyze two English accents in this world. They are American accent and British accent. But in this analysis, I will just focus to analyze how they pronounce sound or in words by using Praat software. The problem of this study is proving that culture influences the accent of someone. The writer decided to make an analysis about the American accent and British accent in pronounced sound R in words by using Praat software. The writer chose this country is because they have the same language but still have the different culture. And the writer wants to prove that they have the different accent, especially in pronounced sound R. Okay, now we are coming to the main thing in this presentation. Yes, now I will explain about the result that I got from the Praat analysis. So this is the result that I got from the Praat analysis. The video next is the sound when people from American pronounce sound R in the word water.
Water, water.
Water, water.
And this is the sound when American and British people pronounce sound R in the word bar.
Bar, bar. Bar, bar.
This is the sound when they pronounce the word chair.
Chair, chair. Chair, chair.
And the last, this is the sound when they pronounce the word were.
Were, were. Were, were.
Okay then, that's all the different sound when people from American and British pronounce sound R in the words. And now I will give the result in the table form. This table shows the difference when American and British people pronounce sound R in the words. This table consists of the frequency, or we call it the pitch, and intensity, or we call it the spectrum, and the last is the duration. The table shows that American accent has higher frequency than British accent. It means American people speak louder than British people. This phenomenon related to the culture. In American, people tend to be free. That's why they speak louder, whereas in England, people are used to be more polite in speaking because they live under the kingdom rule. And there was the difference between the American and British in pronouncing the sound R. The American accent make the clear sound when pronounce the R sound, and the British accent make an unclear sound when they pronounce sound R. And from the table we can see that the duration between American and British when they pronounce sound R is normal. They have the equal grade. So now we are coming to the conclusion. So I conclude that a language is influenced by the culture. It has proven by the analysis which the sample that I got is about the American accent and British accent in pronounced sound R. I found that British people are more polite in speaking than American people. It's because their culture. And the American accent make this clear sound when they pronounce sound R. And the British accent make an unclear sound when they pronounce sound R.